continue with basic math and in today's class we'll learn about how to check the divisibility by different numbers. This topic again is useful for easy calculations in various competitive exams for students, for college going students again, and for school going students. By using this method, how to check the divisibility, we can check the divisibility of a particular number by different number, right? So let us start with the topic how uh, how to check the divisibility. How to check the divisibility. Now, first number which we'll talk about is basic number or divisibility. Basic number, that is by 2. We'll check how do we check the divisibility by of various numbers by number 2. So first we'll write divisibility by 2. Now, since as we know that 2 is an even number and 2 is the smallest prime number, 2 is the smallest prime number, right? So smallest prime number and smallest even number. So when we check the divisibility of any number by 2, what we check is, let us see, we have a number that is 32952, and we have to check the divisibility whether this number is divisible by 2 or not. What we'll do is we'll check the divisibility. We'll check only the unit number at unit place, unit digit, that is 2. That is 2. We have 2 as unit number, 2 as unit digit, right? तो हम क्या करेंगे? We'll check the divisibility of that number by 2. If we have to check the divisibility of that number by 2, what we'll do is we'll just look at the last number and look at the last number. If the last number is divisible by 2, then the whole number will be divisible by 2. Okay? So what I'm saying is, for checking the divisibility by 2, what we'll check is the divisibility of that particular number, and for that matter we'll check the divisibility of only last number by 2. That is, what is the divisibility by 2? 2 is basically a even number, and 2 is divisible by 2 will be divide any number which will contain 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. That is even digits at unit place. Even digits at unit place. अगर हम अपने एग्जाम्पल को देखें तो इसमें यूनिट प्लेस पे we have 2 at unit place. तो 2 at unit place, then this number will be divisible by 2. Then 2 is divisible by 2, then the whole number will also be divisible by 2, right? So रूल लिखेंगे हम, any integral number, any integral number which is any integral number whose last digit, that is unit digit, is even, whose last digit is even, or in other words, the unit digit is divisible by the unit digit is divisible by 2. Right? So if we sum up, we have to check the divisibility of particular number by 2. what we'll do is we'll just check our last digit number, and if the last digit of that number is divisible by 2, then the whole number will be divisible by 2. And 2 divides only those numbers which contain 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at unit basis, right?